She would.
I know.
Not that I worked hard for that money or anything.
You don't work hard.
Are you kidding me?
You don't. You're a big lazy bum. Bum biddly bum.
You're mean. Is that your spit?
No, I was just doing this helicopter thing.
Oh, I was like, ew.
Bro.